Pouring this into the water tank here that it sits on. I guess that's enough. Not really sure. Let's see. Rapid, glass, fruit, eco, normal, start and pause, on and off. I'm gonna do rapid because this is supposed to clean it when you first set it up. So, okay, please do not mind my dirty dishes, but this is it hooked up to the sink. Here's the drain there. And I just did the rapid cycle so that way it could clean it first before I put my dishes in. You see it's there at the bottom, circling around. Next video will be me actually putting dishes in. Now, and I left the fork and spoon holder out. And it also has an attachment there, and you can lift it so that way it closes. Okay, so now the dishes have dried. I'm gonna pull it out. This is everything that I had in here. 2 glass cups, a couple of my kids' plates, a mug, plate, and a little frying pan. See how clean it got everything if I can get it out. Let's see at the... pretty clean. I used Cascade. So they look pretty clean. They really weren't that dirty before. It's a little wet. My little frying pan came clean. That had like some waffle residue on it. I think it did a pretty good job. I mean, look at the glass. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty clean.